In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using custom background filters. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or simply want to personalize your video call experience, this guide will walk you through each step in a friendly and straightforward way so that you can join with confidence and style. Let's begin by focusing on how to access and join your Teams meeting. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Teams invitation. This should be a link you received via email or through your calendar. Once you've found it, click the link to initiate the sign-in process. If you're not already logged into your Microsoft account, you may be prompted to enter your credentials. Be sure to have these on hand as this is your first step to accessing the meeting securely. After successfully signing in, you'll come across the meeting preview screen. This is essentially your preparation area before officially entering the meeting room. Here you'll see a couple of options, including settings for your audio and video, which are completely customizable based on your preferences. Look for the button labeled Join Now, but before clicking it, let's explore the interesting feature of background filters. With your webcam on, you might be concerned about what's visible behind you. Fortunately, Teams has a great feature that lets you manage your background with ease. To do this, locate and click on the Background Filters tab. Using this feature can not only provide privacy, but also add a professional feel or even some fun to your video appearance. Once you click on it, a panel will slide into view showcasing various background options you can choose from. These include blurring what's behind you or using one of the preset virtual backgrounds. At this point, all that's left is to select your desired background effect. Take your time to browse through the options presented. Whether you're opting for a subtle blur for professionalism or choosing a vibrant background just for fun, make sure it reflects the tone of your meeting. Once you've made your choice, you'll see the preview update in real time, so you know exactly how you'll appear to others. With your background all set, it's time to join the meeting. Simply click the Join Now button. And that's it, you're in. You've seamlessly entered the virtual meeting space, and with your customized background set, you're ready to interact with colleagues feeling confident and prepared. Remember, whether you're joining meetings regularly or it's your first time, these steps ensure you're approaching each session efficiently and making the most out of Teams features. Thanks for watching, and I hope these instructions have been helpful. Join us again for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience.